Hello and welcome. In this video, we will explain the various levels of a DCS pyramid. We will start from the level 0, the very basic level, and we will move upward all the way up to level 4 of the DCS pyramid. The level 0 starts with the field level. We call the level 0 as the field level, and this level contains all the sensors, actuators, and equipments that actually control the process and monitor the process. Sensors, actuators, electrical motors, various valves. These are the devices which actually implement the process, monitor the process, and execute the process. So the field level contains all those devices that directly interact with the process. For example, if we have temperature sensor, pressure sensor, level sensor that monitors the process parameters, actuators perform some actions and then control the process, motors, they are switched on and off, and valves that are being opened and closed depending upon the requirement of the process. So the level 0 is what we call the field level, and that has all the devices that make sure the process takes place as per requirement. The level 1 is the control level. All the PLCs and the PLC related modules, they lie in the level 1, and we call it as the control level. The execution of the PLC programs takes place at the level 1, and we call it as control level because the actual control takes place at this level. The PLC program inside the memory of the PLCs, and that is being processed by the CPUs of the PLCs and controllers, controls the process as per PLC programs stored in the memory of the PLCs. So this is the control level of the DCS pyramid. If we move one step ahead or one step above, when over here we have the level 2, and this is the supervisory level. The plant operators monitor the process parameters, and they then take appropriate steps according to the process requirement. So the operator station servers, clients, and engineering stations, they lie in the level 2 of the DCS pyramid. The operators who control the process, one step above is the level 3, that is the manufacturing execution system. Well, most of the DCS systems, they do not have this manufacturing execution system. However, it is an integral part of the latest or modern DCS control systems. Well, this level contains the entire process data in the form of historians or information servers. Various reporting takes place at this level. The optimization of the process and production, well, quality control and production scheduling, it happens at the level 3. That is the manufacturing and execution system of the DCS pyramid. At the top is the level 4, which has the enterprise resource planning level. ERP. Well, various decisions regarding to the inventory, finance, supply chain, and strategic decision making based on the plant performance data. Well, all these things lie in the level 4 or the ERP level of the DCS pyramid. So this is the DCS pyramid explained. We explained the field level, control level, supervisory level, MES, the manufacturing execution system level, and finally the ERP level. If you have any question about the DCS pyramid, feel free to ask in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video.